Hello everyone, are you ready? Let's start the show. Wow, today is another great value day. Come with us on a journey to the 100 years into the future, beyond the world of Superman. Episode 3.4 Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century Series A. In this book, the ultimate choice presents one of the highest tests of human civilization. The veil of cognition of human civilization, the ultimate test and the choice of light. At present, human civilization has already mastered super technologies sufficient for self-destruction, and the bottleneck of the fate of all human civilization is no longer something that technology can determine. Therefore, all human civilization needs to see the future in advance to assist the present of human civilization, and surveying the old era of the past and seeing clearly the current era and seeing the new era of the future requires a thought that surveys the overall future of human civilization, which is the compass that determines the future course of all human civilization. And the Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century series of books exists precisely for this purpose, arising in due time, defining the beginning by the end, and continuing without cease. The first principle of the great leap of human civilization is that technology is not the direction and thought is the direction. The leap of thought is the leap of human civilization. Human civilization stands at the crossroads of the future and calls for global collaboration to stride together toward an abundant and boundless future human civilization. This book aims to awaken the collective cognitive field of human civilization and to promote the formation of a long-lasting and peaceful consensus immunity for all human civilization. And Rainbow Prophecy uses knowledge and wisdom to escort all human civilization to leap into a brand new luminous epoch. Rainbow foresees that after 2050 there will remain numerous forms of superintelligence that comprehensively and in all dimensions transcend and encompass today's technologies. Yet even existences at such a level will still be realizations within the 21st century. And in the Rainbow Prophecy 22nd Century series there will appear entities that even more comprehensively and multidimensionally surpass the 21st century. For human civilization is the child within the causal body of the operating universe. And each generation surpasses the previous is the original cause reality of the operating universe's true knowledge principle. Quickly search the entire internet for this mysterious book of hope, Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century. After reading it, you'll understand all the answers to the future. Please watch the next episode, Episode 3.5 Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century Series A. For even more shocking and exciting content. This episode is over.